tell it everywhere I go. Tell the world, tell them, yeah, I'm a bill.
Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. You don't know your girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. You want to gang. Round that jump off, you know. Guys, so I am currently on vacation. I'm at the Rio Club Montego Bay. I like the Rio brands because you know they have entertainment, they always nice, the food good, the room them nice. So Rio clubs are, you have 3 different Rios in Montego. You have Rio Montego Bay, Rio Ocho Rios. You have Negril, you have 2 different Rios, so you have a wide chain right across Jamaica. Well, Montego Bay, between Montego Bay and Negril. So I chose this one because I've been here before a couple of years ago with some of my friends and I really enjoyed it. So I decided to come back. I just had lunch over there. It's a seagull restaurant. They call it seagull restaurant because seagull always over there. So one seagull right there, so see right there, so yeah. So just maybe I give you guys a room tour and stuff like that. So we checked in at 4. Check-in time is 3. I'm just gonna shop some food. We just have some pastry and stuff which I'm gonna eat. I'm sitting, so I'm gonna go into the room. I'm going to my room now, auntie, and then check-in back with you, and then checking back with you guys. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna give you a room tour now of the room. So when you get in, you put in your thing right here, so we turn on the light. You have a bar fully stocked. They have Smirnoff, which is my favorite. How would I turn on all? Oh, the TV comes on at the same time. So you have Smirnoff, you have what that? Oh, that's gin. You have brandy and you have Appleton Special. You have a little tea bag there, so why not this ice something? Let us take up the ice. Then you have your fridge. Fully stocked fridge with beers, shrimps when I drink that, Coca-Cola. Yeah, maybe when I drink them, there's something there. So that is that for the fridge. Iron board, iron umbrella. That's the blanket up there. This is the bathroom. You have double sink. Toilet over there, so towels. Blow dry, I'm not gonna need that to come out here, go it up. And it's a slide door. Okay, see door. Glass door with the lucky. And things. Shower gel. Booty doll. Guys, my booty has gotten so big. Yeah, and you guys have a mirror right here. You can check yourself. Don't wreck yourself. This is the bed. It's a double bed put together. But like this, you have a TV, 2 chair, side table, light, and then you have can't read. Anyways, this is a balcony. We can't open it right now. But it's overlooking the tennis court. So hi guys, checking back with y'all. Going out for dinner now. I'm going out for dinner now. Sure. Yes. Going out for dinner now. I have on my dress, heels. I'll be popping, looking cute. And stuff. I'm gonna drink, you know, I'm gonna drink not one alcohol since I've been here because I'm not that type of person. I can't eat alcohol, but I'm gonna drink one drink tonight and come down my bed. Let that be popping. Ready? So yeah, so I'm gonna have dinner tonight. I'm showing what I'm eating and stuff. And what I'm gonna do after that.
Great excitement for you.
So guys, we're going out for dinner now. This is the way to dinner, so let's go. So guys, this is this guy. What are those? Having ice cream in our hand. You have some statues right along the walkway and stuff. It's almost 9 o'clock and dinner ends at night. 9. So we hurry up now so I get dinner and stuff.
8:44 ago. That's how we just get there. Look at everybody back in the room.
It look lame. So guys, I started to eat and I didn't remember that I didn't show you what I got. So I'm gonna show you what is. I know fresh still. I'm gonna show you what I'm So I have white rice, special fried rice, mashed potatoes, vegetables, stir-fried vegetables, jerk chicken, fries. So that's the meal. Yeah, so I did have some pizza too. So I'm mashed pizza ready. So maybe never have appetizer after. Main dessert, whatever. After. So I'm mash this down now.